first topic. Basically, it's not the first topic. I'll be covering all those topics too. So here we have the topic which is buffer solution. Right? Now, what is buffer solution? Basically, this is talking any solution which does not changes its pH is known as buffer solution, or you can say solution which resists resists the change in pH. Basically, solution which resists the change in pH is known as buffer solution, or you can say it maintains fairly constant pH. It maintains fairly constant pH. That solution is known as buffer solution, right? It means by the addition of hydrogen ions or by the addition of OH ions, the pH does not disturbs. The pH does not disturb by the addition of H positive ions or OH ions, right? The pH does not disturbs or it maintains fairly constant pH. That solution is basically known as buffer solution, right? So basically we have two types of solution, which first is buffer solution and second is common solution. Let's talk about a common solution first. Like, let me give you an overview. Common solution. Common solution, right? Okay, a solution which changes its pH. Change a solution which changes its pH is known as common solution. Now we have basically two types of common solution. Okay, I guess you are quite known about this too. For example, okay, over here, okay, for them I'll take a container over here, okay, and add sodium hydroxide. Now what is sodium hydroxide? Sodium hydroxide is basically a strong base, right? So here I have add sodium hydroxide and it dissociates basically in the presence of water. Right over here, let me add some water, and this is my water, okay, and it will obviously dissociate. um Sodium positive, OH negative, so obviously it will dissociate. So now the pH is basically what? PH is here, the pH is basically basic, right? But what if I add some positive ions, some hydrogen positive ions into this? If I add H plus ions, in that result the pH will get changed. Result, pH changes, or you can say the pH disturbs. It disturbs, right? For example, I'm having another solution which is acidic solution, right? So here let's take a container. This is container, right? So let's put acid into it. Let's put HCl, right? So here we have HCl. Okay, this is HCl, right? Over here, and let's put some water into it so it can dissociate, right? So over here, let's put some water over here. Okay, this is water, and now it will obviously dissociate into H positive ions and chlorine negative ions, right? So let's put into this H positive and chloride negative ions. Okay, so now what if I add some, let's say, OH ions? Let's add some OH ions into this. OH represents what basically? OH represents basic alkaline character right over here. So the pH is, now the pH is basically, the pH was acidic, right? After the association of the H ions and chloride ions. But after the addition of OH ions, the pH basically disturbs. It gets disturbs, or it changes. What? It changes, right? So this is what common solution is. This is common solution which changes, in which solution the pH of the solution will change. But on the other hand, we have over the buffer solution whose pH will not change by the addition of OH ions, by the addition of H ions, whatever you will add, it will not change its pH, right? So this is, so I hope this is clear to you, right?